Hello friends. So, how do you switch back to a personal account? For this, open your app and go to your profile, which you'll find at the bottom right. After opening your profile, I'll show you two methods to switch it to a personal account. First, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Account Types and Tools. Here, tap on Account Type. It currently shows Professional. Tap on Switch Account. Here, you can switch it to Personal. Now, the second method. For this, tap on Professional Dashboard. After going to your profile, now in the top right corner, you'll find the gear or cog icon. Tap it. Now, scroll down. And here, you'll find the option to switch account. Tap on Switch Account Type. And here, you can switch it to a personal account. A pop-up is showing for confirmation. So we'll confirm it. And that's it. How to switch back to personal account on Instagram.